So in this video, we're going to understand the motion blocks. And to understand the motion blocks, I have my sprite here, which is the cat. And I want to understand what these blocks mean, or what do they tell this sprite to do. So let us first understand the goto block. We've just understood what is x and y value. We know that x value stands for horizontal value, y's value stands for vertical value. So let me just change these values to 0, 0. That is our reference point. And if I click on this, the sprite will go and sit right in the center. If I change the x value to say 100, and then it has moved in the horizontal direction. And we knew this because I've just changed the horizontal direction. If I change it to the vertical direction, I make it, let's say 100, or let us take a different value. Let us take 120. And if I click on this, only then then this uh, then this block tells this sprite to move to 100 comma 120. That is, x is 100 and y is 120. Now I want to also understand, like, is there any other way that this cat will move? So there is another function called glide, or another block called glide. I'll just grab hold of that glide, and I will. If you can see here, there is glide something seconds to this point, right? So let me just take this point and make it minus 20, minus, we know that it is minus 200 comma minus 150, and I want this to come to minus 200 comma minus 150. And we know that both, so this vertical line is here, horizontal line is here. If it is, the horizontal is minus, that means it is to the left of that reference point. If the vertical is minus, if it means it is down from that reference point. So if I click on this, it says glide 1 seconds to this point. So when I click on this, it is gliding. It takes 1 second for it to come from here to here. Now let's say I change the values back to some other point. Let's say I want it to be this, and I change the value of seconds to 5 seconds. That means when I click on this, it will go to this position 150 in x direction and minus 50 in y direction. That means 150 to the right of 0, and minus 50 means 50 points to the below 0. So when I click on this time it is traveling very slowly, because I have asked it to take 5 seconds to reach this position. It is taking a lot more time to reach these position, right? So in the next video we shall see some other uh, motion blocks.